Welcome back. Today Josh and I are talking about this Toro zero-turn mower. A few weeks ago Josh said, hey, I want you to try out this mower at your house. And I kind of live in the country, and I got a big yard, and I have a commercial mower, and it's super...
Way in the country.
It's really bumpy, and I don't care because I'm in the country. And I've tried other smaller mowers before, relatively smaller, and I'm like, oh, Josh, I don't know. I said, I just went to the dentist, and I don't want to go back to get my fillings fixed after bouncing around. He's like, no, you're going to love this. So I brought it over, and I see the springs, and I've gone to a lot of shows where they got new mowers, and I see springs, and it's like, yeah, whatever, springs. Well, this one, as soon as you sit in it, it's just crazy. The difference between this is regular springs, this whole thing is basically isolated from the mower. So while the mower is going up and down, you're kind of floating in this in this little cushion capsule thing. It's really pretty. It's amazingly smooth.
So what it does is that helps not only the smoothness of the bumps, but it also takes out the vibration as well, which is really cool, and you probably noticed that. And you can set this up.
I really noticed it.
Yeah, this thing is unbelievably comfortable. I mean, it's got the settings in the back that you can run for different weights or comforts that you want, so you can even have it smoother if you want. I didn't believe it when I saw it, and I tried it, and I was like, holy cow, this new
because you used it several
MyRIDE.
times in your yard.
Yeah, so this is actually the Toro TimeCutter MX5075, but it's got the MyRIDE system.
So this whole suspension system is called the MyRIDE.
Yes, and we're talking about the MyRIDE. So this is a monster. It's got a 24.5 horse V-twin motor on it, but this thing, it is so fast. I could not believe.
That's the other thing he told me. He goes, you'll be amazed how fast it cuts.
Yeah.
I'm like, yeah, whatever. So I don't know how fast it goes. It feels like you're going 20 miles an hour.
It does.
And just because there's a couple different gears, mowing gear and high speed, and they probably say you're not supposed to do it, but we tried it anyway. You can go full blast and it actually does a pretty darn good job cutting.
Yeah. I mean,
it screams.
Yeah, I won't lie, when I looked at your yard, you had some nice stripes going on.
Right.
And I don't know how fast you're mowing, but no, this thing is really cool. Yeah, it's just a 3-point suspension that they run on here. It's just the 2 in the rear and the 1 in the front that they run with the MyRIDE. So an average seat out there has about 1.5 inches of travel, and there's 3 inches of travel in this isolated suspension that they run on here. So
but that's the thing. It's not just the seat; it's your whole body that's in there.
Yeah.
So it's a different feel, and actually, it kind of freaked me out a little bit because sometimes I was going up in a hill, and all of a sudden the seat shifted. I'm like, whoa! It kind of freaked me out, but I got used to it after a whiit's
because
just
it's your feet, your whole
body's moving independent of this. So it took a little bit to get used to, but yeah, I was very impressed. It's a hell of a machine.
Toro did an awesome job. Good job, guys. So these are $3,999.
And where are they at?
You can check out Toro's website, or Home Depot has these actually. I've mowed a lot of mowers.
Yeah.
You might tell me your lawn's level, but you'd notice it with this when you start going. Yeah. It's just crazy. Yeah, it's super cool.
It is really cool.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you next time. Yep, you were right, Josh.
I know.
It happens every once in a while.
I love hearing that from you.
It happens every once in a while.